Hey everybody, Timeranger review on 2 Timeranger figures I got in the mail. Now one of these is going to be for sale because it's a duplicate. The other is not, because I only have one of each. I only have one actually of the blue, which is in here. The Blue Ranger's in here. Scam out. This is mainly just a review on the Blue Ranger. I'm just going to put the extra red off to the side. All right. Yep, here's the Blue Ranger. Do not have him. He looks pretty nice. Super Sentai. His arms go up and down. Is he a see-through like the others? Let me see. Yes, he is. The Blue Ranger's also see-through. That's pretty cool. It's nice. And then we have an extra red, which is for sale. If you guys want this extra Red Ranger, it'll be on eBay, so let me know. Alright guys, that's it for my review for the red and blue Timeranger figures. I'm going to do an individual review on the Blue Ranger at some point. Thank you.